Hey family, how you doing? Welcome in. We have another whole chicken tonight. I'm gonna season. I cleaned it already. I put some garlic and grapeseed oil on it. So we're gonna season it. I'm gonna use this package. I just want you guys to see a little bit of the chicken. I'm gonna roast. I'm gonna smear this seasoning all over my chicken, all inside of my chicken. I'm gonna put some garlic powder also. I'm just pouring it all over because I'm gonna take my hands and really lather it. Really get it all up in there. I'm just letting you guys see a little bit. I hope you guys are subscribing to my YouTube. Make sure you're subscribing. I'm gonna put some lemon pepper on here also because I want a nice little flavor to it. I'm gonna put some onions and pepper inside of it. But I just wanted you guys just to see a little bit of me preparing this chicken. The lemon pepper strong. I wanted to have a lemon pepper flavor. I'm going to put a little complete seasoning on it also. So anyways, I just wanted you guys to see. Make sure you're thumbing up, leave a comment, and subscribing. I will upload the finished products, and I'm gonna rub it in really good. And you know, kind of like this, I'm gonna rub it very well all inside. I'm gonna just rub the chicken really good. But anyways, make sure you guys are subscribing, thumbs up the like, share me out. Until next time, we're out. I'll let you see the finished